Everyone, how you doing? So by not wasting much of your precious time, here I'm having my first video on the topic that what happens when the massive black hole Sagittarius A get burst. For those who don't know what is Sagittarius A, firstly why you don't know, but then maybe you know that it's a black hole, but it's not. It's a location where in the center of a Milky Way where we are thought to be having a black hole. It is at the center of the Milky Way, right? So what are the factors that determine its impact when it get burst? First, distance. Let's start with the basic, like distance. So it is at the center, so we just need to have where we are from the center of the Milky Way. uh, it's approx 28,000 light years. So that's it? No. Mass. What is its mass? We are having, I've been said in my video that it's a super massive, but in the family of black hole, it's a kid. Yeah, Sagittarius A, it's a kid. It is just 4 or 5 times, just what? It is 4 or 5 times less massive than the usual black hole. So it is, we are 28,000 light years away and it's very less massive in black holes. So we are quite safe. It sounds we are quite safe. But one day I had a thought like it's at the center and the sun is moving, the galaxies are orbiting, rotating and just orbiting. So can it be the reason, like can it be the reason for the fact that sun is moving and the galaxies are orbiting and expanding, not expanding but like moving? So I just went on the internet and searched for it, like can it be the reason? So what I found was like the strength or the field of the black hole is just determined by the size, which is measured in Schwarzschild radius. Very tough. So Schwarzschild radius, it can be defined as like the place where we are supposed to be having the maximum gravitational force, like where nothing can be escaped, it just suck up. So uh, yeah, I've been discussing what like why it can impact like that. So what is the what this radius is usually, not just not be so complicated. Let me come with a example. Like just suppose our black hole is m times massier than sun, and let its size be 3m. Suppose it is having a strength, a field up to 1000 kilometers. I've been saying that 3m and m in kilometers, just note that it's in kilometers. So yeah, it's having its impact in to up to 1000 kilometers. So 3 into 1000, like I just said, 3m. So 3 into 1000 would be 3000 in kilometers. Its Schwarzschild radius is in kilometers. I just said it by the equation. So please note it's not been supposed. So it's just 3000 kilometers. And it's quite like we were talking like 28,000 light years away. We are from the center of the galaxies, and here we are just saying 3000 kilometers. So it cannot be the reason for the destroyment or the movement of sun or the expanding or the orbiting of the galaxies. Like it really cannot be. And if I just make this numbers, like I just supposed it to be 1000 or 3m or m, if I make it like for a larger numbers, but it cannot compare with the fact like we are under its range. Like it it doesn't mean that. So basically what is the conclusion is that we are not having, are not being impacted by the black holes effect, and so we are quite safe. I hope so. Please like, subscribe and share.